What you need to know for your next camping trip. Camping can be a fun way to forget about your responsibilities. However, if you aren't prepared properly, your trip can go awry. The following paragraphs contain a number of ideas you can use to make sure that your next outdoors adventure is the kind of adventure you want. When packing for your camping trip, make sure to pack either a pair of flip-flops or water shoes. These will come in handy in and around the campground. For instance, if you are staying in a campground that has bathroom facilities and you plan on taking a shower, you need to wear shoes in the shower to protect your feet from foot fungus. Prior to leaving, take a few minutes to make a checklist of everything that you need. There is nothing worse than getting to a campsite and then finding out that you don't have what you need to be comfortable. A checklist is a great aid as you are packing. Try to start getting things together several days before you leave so you have plenty of time. Look up activities to engage in prior to getting to your destination. This will allow you to check for any deals that may be offered. Also, it will help you be more prepared when you actually get to your destination. You can find trails that may be appropriate for everyone in your family or restaurants that you would enjoy. While a campfire gives off enough light in the general area around it, you want to be sure you take along a flashlight on your camping trip if you plan to venture outside of the campfire's glow. This is a definite safety precaution you don't want to ignore. It can be quite dark out there in the woods at nighttime. If you are interested in camping, and you are new to the activity, then you should never start out alone. It can be quite dangerous if you don't know what you are doing, so it is important to bring along an experienced friend to help you learn the ropes. If your canteen is beginning to smell musty, you can give it a good cleaning with baking soda. Place a little bit of water in your canteen, and then add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Shake gently, let it sit for 60 minutes, and then rinse with water. Your canteen will be refreshingly clean. Camping is something that most people find fun and relaxing. Though, in the absence of sound planning, camping can become rather difficult and unpleasant. Use this advice to make sure that the next time you go camping, everything goes smoothly. Don't forget to enjoy yourself. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.